Hello, sir. I'm Gautam from Mighto Private Limited. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is J. Victor Mark, JV Mark. I'm a background of ex-army officer. And in fact, I joined here 7 years before. But after that, I taken over in charge of CSC.
CSS.
Yeah, CSC hostel,
Okay.
hospitality. So after I came and during 2000, we are purchased your equipments.
Mm-hmm.
So laundry equipments and all. From 2004 onwards, we are running that equipments.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
When it comes to the experience of our laundry machines, what are the experience that you have with our machines?
Yeah, machines is giving good result. In fact, actually, whenever we needed very urgent washing, urgent necessary for our sports person, sports legends, just like PV Sindhu.
Okay.
She's a legend. She's staying here.
That's right.
Along with that, 2-3 coach and physicians are staying there. Sometimes the emergency, if they want the cloth,
Okay.
so they are giving to us. So they are telling within 2 hours, can you able to give? I can tell, okay, no problem. Within 2 hours, we can wash it and give. And immediately we'll put a wash, and immediately they are asking 2 hours. We are completely giving within 1.5 hours itself. So
That's very good, sir. Actually.
they are very happy for that service what we are doing.
Mm-hmm.
And also we have our staff, but they are also doing a good job. And also we are given a training in your institution only.
Yes.
So accordingly, they are doing the job without any prestation.
It is very proud moment for us also when you say PV Sindhu and players like that are getting laundry services in our machines, and they're very happy about it. What would you tell about our quality and the after-sale service and the availability of our parts of the machines?
So it is whenever it gives some problem, and immediately we are complaining, and within 24 hours that complaint has taken care, and it was rectified.
Yes.
Within 48 hours, I was unbelievable. It is within 48 hours they have totally changed the heat exchanger, new exchanger bricks.
Yes.
So our system is keep on running. We are not facing any problem for customers' problem. We are not facing any customers' problem.
Thanks a lot for that review, sir. It was very helpful for us.